first of all, Fabrizia, really nice to meet you here at the legendary place of Col di Turini. What kind of memories do you have about this place, about our cars?
You know, for me, it's a great honor to be here in Col di Turini with this car and the new cars. And Col di Turini is really an iconic place.
For me, it would be really interesting to know what is important as a rally driver, as a co-driver.
First of all, you need a fantastic car. And Audi, from the beginning, was four-wheel drive, was turbocharged. And this was something really special because it was the only one. And in any case, you need a fantastic car, a fantastic team, because a car can't work alone. You need a team who is servicing, you need engineers who are developing everything. You need engineers when you are coming, maybe you have a small problem and they are able to solve it.
Yes.
And finally, you need a crew able to go fast with what you have.
It's exactly the same what we are having in our team today. For sure, you have to have a fantastic product, but this is created by a team behind, and for us as Audi Sport, it's all about defining and creating something for our customers. So we are trying to do it in a progressive way, in a sustainable way, but also in a digital way. And I would love to talk about the quattro, because quattro is kind of a technology you were experienced in the past. What is your experience about the quattro?
You know, they were very, very important for me because I was with Audi from the first time they put the car on the ground and the first kilometer they drove. Nearly till the last one. So it was fantastic to follow the development, the changes, and they were always in the right direction, and we were testing a lot, and this is something that I love. Actually, at the end, we were making the input of the direction we would love to have. And the result, the last quattro, is just fantastic, but it's amazing to see how the Audi Quattro is still going on and on and on.
It shows that you're never stopping with the topics. Yeah, you develop it in the next level, and this is exactly what we did with the RS3, because in the RS3 we combined it now also with the torque splitter. The torque splitter gives you a variable torque distribution on the rear axle, and you are bringing the car on the next level of driving performance. This is also what we are demonstrating now with the RS e-tron GT, which is the next technological step forward. Yeah, so we are now interpreting our technology in the most electrical way. We have the first high-performance car with a full electric drivetrain, also as a quattro, as an electrical quattro, and this is something which makes me proud, which makes the team proud, which only goes with the perfect team performance. But coming to our latest product, the new RS3, I heard about that you had the chance to drive with Frank Stippler yesterday on the track with the car. What is your impression about the RS3?
First of all, I didn't wait the car going so fast and so stable and so easy to drive. The noise was a fantastic noise, it's a full noise. I loved this car, really. I think I will buy one sooner or later.
That is exactly what you are saying, the sound. So for me, the sound level is impressive of the car. But it's not all about the sound, yeah? For me, it's like the perfect combination of a very agile sport car and also adding on the torque splitter, which is guiding this car to the next level of driving performance. It shows we are coming from the past, but we are continuing into the future with the things we have learned, just in an improved and better way. Thank you very much, Fabrizia, for sharing your experience at this legendary place with us. And now I would say, let's drive the cars. Thank you very much for your time.
Thank you.